Hello, good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, me too fine. Okay. I am going to teach about some more questions about which are related to theorem 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let us see in the board in question number 8, AB in the given figure AB parallel CD, prove that AOD is equal to BOC. Here AB parallel CD and we have to prove this triangle AOD is equal to triangle BOC. Okay. Given AB parallel DC to prove triangle AOD is equal to triangle COB. Proofs statements, regions. Number 1. Okay. Now, what is the relation between triangle ADC and BCD? Think it. Triangle ADC and BCD. These two triangles are equal to each other. Why? Because triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. In theorem 4, triangle ADC and triangle BCD are equal to each other. Triangle ADC is equal to triangle BCD. Its reason, they are on the same base CD and between the same parallels AB and CD. They are on the same base CD and between the same parallels AB and CD. Number 2. Okay. Now, triangle ADC minus triangle DOC is equal to triangle BCD minus triangle DOC. Number 2. This triangle DOC subtract from both sides. Triangle DOC is subtract from both sides. Number 3. Now look here, when this triangle DOC subtract from ADC, then we get AOD. Similarly, this triangle DOC subtract from BCD, then we will get what? BOC. Number 3. Therefore, triangle AOD is equal to triangle COB from statement 2. Okay? This is proved. Understand? Okay. Now, question number 9. Let us see in the slide. Question number 9. In question number 9, A, B, C, D, P. In triangle ABC, P is the point on P is any point on median AD. Prove that triangle APB is equal to triangle APC. Okay. In the figure, in triangle ABC, this AD is median. AD is median means D is midpoint of BC, and P is any point on median AD. When join B and P and C, then we have to prove APB. APB means this triangle APB is equal to triangle APC, this triangle APC. Okay. Given in triangle ABC, number I, AD is median. Number second, P is any point on median AD. Number second. Then to prove, we have to prove triangle APB is equal to triangle APC. We have to prove triangle APB is equal to triangle APC. Proofs. Okay. Median AD in triangle, median is bisect the triangle. Median AD bisect the triangle ABC, then we can write statements, regions. Number 1, triangle ABD, in triangle ABC, better to write in triangle ABC, triangle ABD is equal to triangle ACD. Why? Median AD bisect the triangle ABC. Okay? Median AD bisect the triangle ABC. Number 2, in triangle, look here, in triangle BPC, this is P, this is B, this is C, this is D. In triangle BPC, PD is median. In triangle BPC, triangle BPD is equal to triangle PDC. Triangle BPD, this triangle is equal to this triangle. Why? That two triangles are equal? Because PD is median. PD bisect the triangle BPC. Median PD bisect the triangle BPC. Now, number 3, statement and reason. Number 3, triangle ABD minus triangle ABD minus triangle BPD is equal to triangle ACD, triangle ACD minus triangle PDC, triangle PDC. Its reason is what? Statement 2 is subtract from statement 1. Statement 2 is subtract from statement 1. Okay. Now, when this triangle is subtract from ABD, this triangle BPD is subtract from triangle ABD, then the remain APB. Similarly, triangle PDC subtract from ACD, then we will get what? APC. Okay. Therefore, number 4, therefore, triangle APB is equal to triangle APC. Number 4 from statement 3. Okay. Proved. Clear? I think you all are understand this question number 9. Okay, now question number 10. Question number 10 is similar to question number 8. Question number 10 is similar to question number 8. Then this question is do yourself at your home. Now question number 11. Question number 11. Let us see in the question and write and draw the figure. Number 11. Question number 11. A, B, C, D. AB parallel, AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to CD. Okay. And this is P, this is Q. In the given, in the ABCD is a parallelogram. In the question ABCD is a parallelogram. P and Q are points on AD and AB, prove that triangle PBC is equal to triangle QDC in area. Okay. Given. Okay. Let us see in the figure, this P and Q are points on AD and AB, and ABCD is a parallelogram given in parallelogram ABCD. Number I, P and Q are points on AD and AB respectively. Number second, join PB, PC, QD and QC. To prove, we have to prove area of triangle PBC is equal to area of triangle QDC. QDC, this is this triangle Okay. QDC is equal to triangle PBC. This is PBC, this triangle. Okay. Now, proofs. Proofs. Statements, region. Okay. Now, look at the figure. Triangle PBC, this triangle PBC and parallelogram ABCD. What is the relation between triangle PBC and parallelogram ABCD? What is the relation between triangle PBC and parallelogram ABCD? In theorem 3, the area of a triangle is half of the area of parallelogram if they are on the same base and between the same parallels. Now, here triangle PBC and parallelogram ABCD, they are on the same base BC. This triangle PBC is on the same base BC and between the same parallel BC and AD. So, that triangle is half of the parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Write it. Number 1, triangle, area of triangle PBC is equal to 1 by 2 area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay. They are on the same base BC and between the same parallels BC and AD. Okay. BC and AD. Number 2, similarly, area of triangle QDC, area of triangle QDC also half of parallelogram ABCD. Why? They are on the same base CD and between the same parallel CD and AB. Half of area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Its regions, they are on the same base CD and between the same parallels CD and AB. Okay. Okay. In statement 1, triangle PBC is half of parallelogram ABCD, triangle QDC also half of parallelogram ABCD. Then we can write, therefore, area of triangle PBC is equal to area of triangle QDC, because both are half of parallelogram ABCD. Then we can write triangle PBC is equal to triangle QDC from statement 1 and 2 proved. Okay. Any confused? Okay. Now, question number 12. Now, question number 12. Let us see in the question number 12. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.